Hey guys, today's video is about tight lining your waterline. Before I begin, let me tell you guys what tight lining is. Basically, tight lining is to tight lining is basically a technique by which you can give an illusion to your lashes that they are really fuller. So basically, what I have seen people doing is they tight line it with a liner like this and they just go that ways on their upper waterline. Might and if you're in a rush, obviously this might destroy your eyes. Yeah, but the technique, the hack that I am going to show you today is really simple, really fast, and when you are running late to office, when your husband is calling, hey, just get ready really soon, and you want that look, you just want to achieve that look. So this is the way you can do it, and it is really simple, really easy, and happens in this, like seriously, in a blink you will get those beautiful eyes. I have been tight lining my waterline like since the very beginning. I've started makeup like when I was in school, in college, but the way of tight lining was really different and really easy. So if you guys want to know how I tight line my waterline, then keep on watching. Also, you might be thinking I've been wearing a lot of bindis nowadays. It's because my brows are not done, and this is a really nice trick. If your brows are not done, wear a bindi. Your face will lift up and you look better. I mean, gorgeous. Okay, so let's just get started with how to tight line your waterline. So for that you need a liner stick or kajal stick like this. I always have one of these kajal sticks. It is like an essential part of a makeup kit. You will need and these are really cheap. This is from Blue Heaven, and it is like really small little thingy. It's so small, and you can have it in your purse or in your makeup kit or anything. So you can, and this is from Color Essence. So I got this one free in the kit of my Best of Pinks. So really happy with this one and this one. The only problem is that these are not waterproof. So if you're looking for something waterproof, then I think I'll have to search for that. But for now I have these, and I tight line as well as I apply kajal on the waterline in just one go. So let's just get started on how I do it. Okay, if you do it the same way that I do it, comment down below, because I seriously don't like the poking into your upper waterline stick. Only you have to do is just slide it into your eye like that. So place it on your waterline like that and slide it out. Yeah, do it 2-3 times. Place it in your waterline and slide it out. Only just place it in your waterline and slide it out. Very easy. Be very soft on your hand, very gentle on your hand, and there you go. See the difference? I mean, you can see the difference in both of my eyes, how intense this eye look and how flat this eye look. See, that's a difference. Now what you can do is go ahead with your waterproof kajal. I'm taking Maybelline Colossal Kajal, and just apply this on your lower waterline. And there you go, beautiful eye in a blink. I'll do the same thing with my other eye as well. Take the kajal, I am not using this to slide it into my, because these are really soft and it might just break when you're doing this. Since these are really this have a width, it will not break into your eye and you're safe with that. But this one just might break into your eye, so you have to be very careful if you're using this to slide it into your eyes. So once you have tight lined your waterline, I mean, this was a really simple step if you do it that way, because I seriously don't like the way you have to tight line your upper waterline like that. So this is really simple and you won't hurt yourself anyway. So once you're done with that, you can go ahead and curl your lashes. And apply mascara. So that way is like you don't need any other makeup for your eyes apart from just 2 products, I mean 3 products. It's such a task to apply mascara to your other eye. I'm applying just to the upper lash line and not upper lashes and not to my lower lashes, because I think that will just do the thing for you. So yeah, there you have it. It's really simple, really cool. If you think that this trick was really helpful to you, it's like a hack, if you can say so. So I have been using it seriously since my childhood, not childhood, since the time I've started using kajal, because that's the first thing that a girl uses as a makeup. You won't use a lipstick or a bindi or anything or a mascara, but you will start using a kajal for sure. So when I started using to get that intense, really nice popping eyes, beautiful big eye look, see how big my eyes look right now. So if you really need that look, just slide it into your eyes, and it's like applying, what you can, surma, that is also applied in a similar way. So you only have to do that ways and you will get those big, beautiful, bold black eyes. And I seriously love this look. I seriously love when my eyes look really big, and it just lifts up the entire face and my mood. So yeah, a bindi, a lipstick, a kajal, that's all that you need to look perfect. You don't need anything else more than that. If you can relate to what I'm saying, comment down below and do let me know about that. Also, if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so, and till then, stay beautiful, take care, I'll see you next time, bye bye.